Now, it's always very important to read problems carefully and understand them before you answer. But with electrostatic problems, I think there are some words in here that are easy to mix up, and you need to be especially careful. Let me read this. Be careful when you read your electrostatic problems. It's easy to get things backwards. You might want to circle keywords or even draw a picture. Let's do a couple of examples. What will happen when two objects with opposite electric charges are moved closer together? Here are the words I would suggest you circle. The objects have opposite charges, don't they? And they move closer together. Now, could you see yourself, if you were kind of reading quickly and not paying attention, might you forget that they are opposite charges? Could you think they were the same? If they were, they would get the charges, the forces would be repulsive. But no, these are opposite. The forces are going to be attractive. Moving closer. Could you see in your mind maybe getting that backwards? I might even draw a picture like this. Let's see. So you've got, let's see. Two objects, opposite charges. Here's one here, positive. Here's one here, negative. They're moved closer. So that happens, right? Isn't the attractive force going to get greater? It's attractive because they're opposite. And because they're getting closer, the charge is getting greater. But I don't know about you. I can see myself forgetting them. Maybe think that's a positive also. Yeah, I think it's important to circle words and even draw a picture. See the next one. Two positively charged objects are separated by a large distance. One of the positively charged objects is replaced by a negatively charged object, and the two are moved closer to each other. Here's what I would circle. It was positively, but replaced by a negatively, moved closer. Is that like this? There were two positives, right? Large distance. And then one of them is replaced by a negative. Yeah, it becomes a negative, doesn't it? And they're moved closer like that. Well, now it kind of is just like the previous problem. So here's your picture. We have a negative getting closer and closer to a positive. So it's an attractive force, and it's going to get stronger, isn't it? Here's your video code. Be careful. Be careful. So my only point here is these problems have words. They have closely related words that are opposite. You know, positive and negative are very similar in meaning, but they're opposite, aren't they? If you read a problem and rush and it says positive and you get in your head negative, you're going to get exactly the wrong answer, aren't you? Move closer, move further apart, doubled, have. These are words that you could get them backwards in your head. So I would suggest circling them, even drawing a small picture. I'll read this. If you're not careful, you can get a word backward in your head and get a completely wrong answer. So go carefully and slowly on these electrostatic problems. Find some way to be careful. Don't mix up these keywords. Bye.